Hey, what's going on?
The roof just ripped off the shelter.
Fuck. Let's go. I'll grab my truck. So the roof apparently just ripped off. So of course, I'm driving around to assess the damage. Ah, it's It's fucking Oh, it's fucking seagulls, man. Oh, dude. We're in trouble, dude. We are in for some fucking trouble.
So, hey, hi, hello, welcome back. Hello. Hey, happy 4th of July. We are.
Bob's your uncle.
We are recouping after a very hard week, where a crew member almost cut his leg off, and we almost got blown to our death. And our neighbor,
Teal
from
Onboard Lifestyle, came and saved our roof.
He literally saved my life. He grabbed my shirt up high, and then I reciprocated it, and
They both didn't die.
yeah, we didn't die. We didn't die. Hey, this week, guys, we didn't die.
We did not die, but
We're
needless
good.
to say, we haven't posted a video in a while because we have been having some difficulties with our project.
Some
And
major setbacks.
There's been some pretty interesting drama.
Interesting to say the least.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but stay tuned for more. We are we're making progress.
Yeah, we're not done yet.
No,
We're moving forward. We're very stubborn, and we ain't giving up. No. But you'll see, epoxy.
What is that pile worth?
It's all worth 10 grand. Increment.
How about that one? How much was that?
That one was is a bitch.
Yeah.
And wind also sucks when you're surrounded by a plastic shelter.
All right. Well, it's about 3 o'clock in the morning, and but okay, the PG rated. You can see there's a gaping hole up there, and the framing came.
And what else? Oh yeah,
boats.
Boats that aren't in the water.
Boats.
Boats
and
in
boats
general.
that are in
Just
the water.
because
boats. Like they've been doing with clamps. I got 10 more clamps there. All right, thanks. It's really calm right now. These gales keep hitting, and it like shakes the whole shelter over.
Xander, I can toss you a couple clamps. Sure, I'll go halfway over.
It's already over it. Yeah, hey, can somebody go get that giant spool of nylon roping? Yeah, that. Yeah. Somebody on the bottom has a one spool over one.
Are you tying the framing down to the scaffolding?
We're gonna tie it here and chuck it over. The framing's not the issue. This is gonna go up.
Yeah.
And then the rest of it's gonna go. Yeah.
You need somebody on the ground catching up.
Yeah, somebody's gotta go around the outside. Okay. Around the outside. Around the outside.
First one right here. Hey, we need to make a chain down here.
Chain up the ladder.
Chain up the ladders.
Okay, so here's the first leak. Can you get it over? Somebody down? Somebody down there? I'm just checking it, okay?
Yeah, go for it. This is what windstorm did in the Southport shelter tonight.
trying to do? What are you doing right now?
We're bringing our neighbor a bottle of whiskey for saving our roof in the windstorm the other day.
And possibly our whole structure.
Oh, and my life. We grabbed onto each other when we're about to fall. So.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Uh-oh.
Ahoy!
What's going on?
Figured we'd repay you for helping us save our roof.
Nice. I'll take that.
Got your brand.
Perfect. Love it. Thank you very much. I'll put that to good use.
Yeah, I figured.
Oh, and thanks for saving my butt while I was up there.
Yeah, no worries. Likewise.
You know what I'm talking about, right?
Yeah, I
watched the video afterwards. I'm like, I go, why am I so sore right here?
Oh, you got it on video?
Yeah.
Good. He was out on the truss
and I go
dropped
to
huck
and I go to huck it and I lose one foot. And you grab me. I probably wouldn't have fallen, but just in case. It was nice.
Yeah. No, we were on point.
Okay.
Wrangling it down.
But it's all good. You got it all repaired?
Yeah. I don't know if you. Oh, okay.
We didn't bother trimming it.
What is it?
I put an owl up there. One of those fake owls.
Okay, keep the seagulls off.
Because we repaired it, and then I was going through just to check for holes, and even in our new plastic, there was little talon marks already.
Oh, really?
So we're just gonna have to check it regularly.
Yeah.
I mean, we were, but man.
Oh well.
Be more
It
diligent.
was exciting.
Yeah. Quick thank you to Lynn and Teal, Onboard Lifestyle. They were clutch in a moment where we were all exhausted after a 15-hour workday, and our roof blew away. They woke us up, and not only that, they helped us secure the roof, fix everything, and they were smiling the whole time.
And they filmed. Teal, actually,
Lynn and Teal killed it.
There's a shot where I'm driving up in the truck and Lynn is running, and I don't know what she's running to go and get. Maybe it's more clamps, or maybe it was her camera.
This isn't what we rehearsed.
They were solid. We were up there in the trenches together, and I really appreciate it, Teal.
And
thank you.
That's, I think, at least 1 to maybe 2 weeks.
Easy.
Of
Oh,
not
they
being
saved us
set
so
back.
much
Not being set back.
Time and money. Good job, guys.
Thank you so much. We are sorry that we have not posted a video in quite some time. We've had some difficulties. We've lost some personnel, and our boat decided to be an angry boat, and we've had some problems. And
we had some personnel injured.
All right, so we're here at the Jefferson County Hospital, their urgent care clinic.
And we avoided injury ourselves, and honestly, after it all, we triumphed.
yes, so there are some pretty interesting things to come. Please subscribe and like and follow our story.
And make this worth it.
We are trying to restore a 100-foot aluminum boat that had some problems that we did not foresee, and it has made our life a living hell. But
Blood, sweat, and tears, man.
we are chasing the American dream.
On 4th of July.
On 4th of July, America.
We're not at war. Yep.
Because we won.
Fireworks. Fireworks.
Okay.
Boats that aren't in the water,
Boats
and
in
boats
general.
that are in
Just
the water.
because
boats.
Because boats.
They're hard.
Because
boats.
they have their own
Boats.
spirits.
Yeah.
This one is a bit of a poltergeist.
The Island Capers has some attitude. So
Okay. She's a poltergeist. All right. She has possessed.
angst.
She wants to hurt us all. But you know what? You know what I think? We're gonna get this boat done, and we're gonna be sailing on her with her full set of passengers, and she's gonna be happy about it, and we're gonna get it back. She's gonna be stoked to bring her back alive. We had to hire an entire cowboy.
An entire
We hired a cowboy to save us,
Yeah.
and
We became ranchers.
Yeah.
Project.
Yeehaw. Kaye.
Once again, happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
So we're sorry we have not posted an episode in a while.
Let's restart. You still posted. I'm sorry.
Posted.
That's
Posted.
all right.
All right, start over. Because we haven't posted an episted on YouTube in a while.
And it's 4th of July, by the way.
Yeah, it's
Kenny,
4th
your
of
abs
July.
are so hard.
You idiots. You guys want to do a girly pose or something?
Hard too, guys. They're so hard against my body when I lean into it.
What's happening?
I chose the wrong business partner.
Man, get out of here. Hey. Look at us boys, just, being in a hole. Thought we'd climb 4 stories up and be in a hole today, just being cute.
Being cute might work hard later. No.
Here. Oh, now it's gonna work.
Sexuality was not part of the deal.
I'm not ready for this. Stop. The railing can't do it.
You're
fucking shit. You're shit. You were digging right into my shoulder.
needs to be
No, like there's blood for sure.
Hey Rose, thanks for not running away.
All right,
I appreciate that. You found a good lady.
Yeah, found a good lady, Rose. That's you.
You're a fine lass.
You're a fine lass. You're as a final lass as there ever was.
It sounded like you just said final ass.
Hey, she also has the finest ass of anyone.
No,
who's watched.
final ass. Like the last one.
You're the last one. The last ass.
Oh, it's okay.
Kenny, you got the last ass. We're running out of battery in the mic.
Oh no.
Kenny,
Get a
that's
solar
Red.
charger.
The battery is
You left it on. All right, in this next week's episode. Shit. Why we didn't have one.
Our neighbor saved our shelter and Xander saved our neighbor. As Tom
That-
gets in front of me.
Xander, say that again.
Our neighbor saved our shelter. Xander saved our neighbor. He saved my life too. Grab my shirt.
They both almost fell out of the top tier of the scaffolding as the shelter ripped open and billowed like a sail.
30 mile an hour gales.
It was a gale. It blew a gale that night. The sea was angry that night, my friend.
An engine into another sailboat. So I had to run up with
We
that.
can't use that now.
No, you can't.
You made a cut.
Yeah.
Oh, stop. It's gonna go right in my face.
Oh no, my phone died.
Oh, no. Okay.
It's just smoke. It's just smoke. Leave it.
Pick it at the kids. Yep.
Guys, watch out. Hey, Steven.